Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Galaxy Android a screen image stuck. If you are also facing such type of issue, your Samsung Galaxy phone is stuck on images, then here are the fixes. First, force restart your Samsung Galaxy Android. Press volume down button and power button conjointly to force restart your Samsung Galaxy. Wait till Galaxy logo appear, and once Galaxy logo appear, release your hand and force restart your system. This is the first and initial workaround to fix this issue. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, swipe down your Samsung Galaxy Android and tap on settings from the top right corner. Here, scroll down and look for the option software update. Tap on software update and click on download and install software update. Auto download over Wi-Fi. So update your Samsung Galaxy software. Sometimes outdated software issues may be a cause of various type of error appeared in your Samsung Galaxy Android. So update your Samsung Galaxy. The third one is go to safe mode of your Samsung Galaxy. Go to power button, tap and hold on power off and tap on safe mode. Open your Samsung Galaxy Android in safe mode and check whether your Samsung Galaxy Android is still stuck on images. If yes, then go to the next fixes. Again, swipe down your Samsung Galaxy Android, tap on settings from the top right corner and here scroll down and tap on reset general management. Tap on general management and here look for the option reset. Tap on reset and here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option restore factory reset your data. Factory data reset, it will erase all your data, so keep a backup before factory reset your Samsung Galaxy. That's all.